Let's dive into how to create a free media kit using Beacons.ai. First, sign up for a free account at Beacons.ai. No credit card needed to start. Once you're in, you'll find over 50 customizable templates. These are categorized by themes like influencer, brand, or artist, with pre-designed layouts perfect for adding photos, bios, stats, and links. Choose a template that fits your style. For example, the modern influencer template includes sections for audience demographics and past collaborations. Add your statistics. You can manually input or auto-import stats like follower counts, engagement rates, and reach metrics from your connected social accounts. This is vital for showing potential partners your value. Finally, add up to 10 free links to your social profiles, websites, or affiliate products. Customize the colors, fonts, and backgrounds to match your personal branding. Once you're done, Beacons.ai generates a unique URL that you can share in your bios or DMs. Your media kit is now mobile responsive and includes analytics to track views and clicks. Now, let's optimize your Beacons.ai media kit. A key trend is AI-powered customization. Beacons.ai introduced an AI assistant in mid-2025 that auto-generates media kit templates based on your inputs, saving you time. Also, focus on integrating real-time stats from platforms like TikTok and YouTube to show your current reach. Consider including ethical practices like carbon footprint disclosures or diversity stats to align with current branding trends. And with the rise of short-form content, embed videos or reels to enhance interactivity. Consider this case study from 2024. A fitness influencer named FitFamAlex, with 50K Instagram followers, created a free Beacons.ai media kit using the athletic template and integrated real-time stats from Strava and TikTok. This led to a sponsorship with a sports supplement company, increasing their income by 30% within months. Make sure to keep your kit concise, professional, and data-driven. Make sure to keep your kit concise, professional, and data-driven.